Okay, we have equations with brackets. In this particular equation, we've got one set of brackets. Let me read it to you. -7 bracket 3 minus y close bracket equals minus 28. Our outcome is to solve this, and solving basically means get that variable all by itself on one side of the equation. So that's what we want to do. We want to make this by itself y equals a particular number. So what you do to one side, you do to the other, because they're equations and both sides have to equal each other. So the first thing I want to do, step number one, is to expand and distribute over those brackets. So let's go ahead and do that. So -7 times 3 and then -7 times -y. Notice the two negatives there are going to turn into a positive in a moment. So for now, -7 times +3, -7 times 3 is going to give us -21. Now -7 times -y, that's going to be a plus what? 7y. It's going to be plus 7y. And that equals -28. Okay, we're going to get that y by itself, but first, what do we need to get rid of? We're going to go for subtraction and addition. Right here, we work with this first, and then we'll get rid of the 7. So we've got a -21. Now, subtraction of 21, the opposite of -21 is +21. So we're going to add 21 to both sides. So 21, we'll get rid of the -21. We do the same to the other side. Plus 21. Okay, -21 plus 21 is 0. Just bring down the 7y. We've got 7y, and that equals, let's have a look here, -28 plus 21. It's the same as 21 minus 28. It's going to be negative, so that's going to be a -7. Okay, let's get rid of that 7 right there. To get rid of it, notice the operation. It's 7 multiplied by y. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by 7. So divide by 7, we'll get rid of the 7, and we do the same on the other side. 7 divided by 7 is 1, so we're left with 1y. Y equals -7 divided by 7, that's going to be a negative, because a negative divided by a positive is negative. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So y equals -1. And if you want to check, just substitute y equals -1 into the original equation. And you'll find out that left-hand side equals right-hand side.